Previously on TrvlXL. Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you for all the comments. And hopefully you enjoyed our last video on Central Ave. So today we are going to go in the Lark Street area. They were having art on Lark at this time when we recorded the video. So we're going to go around the area. A lot of traffic, busy day. And then we're going to go into Washington Park and check that out, see what's going on for today. And there'll be another follow-up video after this. We got a series of videos coming up also. Hopefully we have a trip coming up this weekend, so we're going to get some out-of-town footage as well. But other than that, hopefully everybody's doing well. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, especially if you're new here. All right, we'll talk to you soon. right, guys, we're going to end it on South Lake here as we go through Washington Park. A little bit dead there. Obviously, everybody's probably down on Lark Street. Too bad we couldn't get in there. Stay tuned for more videos. Again, if you're new here, subscribe to our channel. Join us on this journey, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.